So you can download it on your phone's app store. Just type in Dcoder and hit the download button. For me, I have already downloaded it, so the update button is the only one that can be seen. So open the app and let's create an account. Just hit the want to register button. You can use your Google email address or Facebook account or any email address. After you have signed up, a verification email from Dcoder will be sent to your email address. Just click on the link given by it and you will be redirected to Dcoder app. But for me, I have already created an account, so I will just sign in. And voila, we are signed in. Now let's start coding. Click the Start Coding button and create a file. And we will be using Java for this example. So just enter the name of the file and hit create. So this is what the code editor looks like. We are here given with a template of Java code which prints hello world in the console. Now to run this code, just hit the blue-green button at the right bottom of the screen. Let us now move in creating a project. Unlike create file, creating a project lets us create multiple files. Creating a project is best used when creating a website because creating a website requires multiple files such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So let's choose HTML, CSS, and JavaScript project and enter the project name. Now we are here in the project. To view the files, just click the button on the bottom left, which is the directory. Now you can see here that we have 3 files: index.html, index.css, and index.js. Now let's put some style on it and run it. Don't forget the CSS link in the head tag because the CSS is written in a separated file. Now, to see the output, just click the button at the bottom right of the screen. You will be seeing the terminal output, the browser output, and the console output. We'll be going to the browser output